Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals back in Vietnam, guys. A great time to be live, and we're going to be talking about what the heck is going on with the debt ceiling. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin, and is the bull run started? Is it started? Have we absolutely reached all-time lows already for Bitcoin? What can we be expecting? We're going to be talking about that and much, much more. Also, some great, amazing, absolutely amazing news going to be coming out of China on June 1st, guys. So this is going to be huge. Absolutely freaking huge for the crypto markets out there. Also, too, we're going to be talking about what is going on with Bitcoin in terms of exchange flow. Where's all the Bitcoin? Where's all the Bitcoin, guys? So we're going to be talking about a lot of bullish stuff that's happening for cryptocurrency, a lot of bullish stuff that's happening for you out there. And, I really believe that a huge pump is coming. I talked about that in my previous video, guys. Go over there. Look at that. And I believe a big pump is coming. I think if this China thing does pan out the way it's expected to pan out, we're going to see an absolute blast off for cryptocurrency, guys. So let's jump into it. And guys, remember, all this is financial advice, just an OG in the house, back in town, yo. And I'm going to head out to the grind today. I got my cup of Joe, guys. Go down and check out the merch, guys. And if you love this content like I love you guys, do us a favor. Smash the likes. Get some coffee. Strap on, buckle up, guys. Let's jump into it. So what's going on? We did see that yesterday, much of the U.S. markets were down. We did have Lowell, which is a big box company. Their earnings were down compared to where they should be. But one of the big things that have people worried right now, absolutely scared, is this Republicans' question June 1 debt ceiling deadline as talks zero in on potential trade-offs. So right now, we're still absolutely no closer out there to confirming that the debt ceiling is going to be raised. And, it's really interesting is that, this is bad, right? It's really bad because, imagine for you and me out there, if we had a credit card and every time we, couldn't buy stuff, we just keep increasing the limits, but our salary is here. Eventually, you're going to go bankrupt. So that's kind of what's going on with the U.S. right now. But what they're doing is they just hit the print machine. Print. So that's not a good look out there. What do we got coming out in terms of big announcements this week? It's May the 24th here in Vietnam right now. So we got meetings, Fed, May FOMC meetings coming out. So a lot of anticipatory people are waiting for that. Fear and greed right now. We're seeing fear and greed is pretty much neutral. It's like now 50. It's like it's been like we're just kind of like everything's kind of going sideways. But we are seeing a nice bullish flag happening for Bitcoin. I'm going to jump into that. If you take a look at it, heat maps right now, 27,162. I still believe that, the bottom was in at 15.5. That was our bottom. I know that a lot of bears wished, a lot of the bears wished that we could go down to 12, 10. Guys, that's just not reality. Absolutely not freaking reality. If you're living in that reality, well, I'm sorry to say, we're not going down there. The bottom was in. And that's why I believe that we are in a bull run right now. Sure, it's not going to be a parabolic bull run. Definitely not a parabolic bull run. But sure enough, it's going to be a bull run. And if we get this big announcement that's going to be coming out June 1st, I'm going to talk about that. That is definitely going to be big for cryptocurrency. It's going to be big for you and me out there. So what's going on? Dominance for Bitcoin right now is at 46.4. We're seeing 19.6 happening. Also, too, we're going to talk about Dogecoin 111. We're going to be talking about Doge. A ton of stuff is happening in terms of this key matrix for Dogecoin. So we're going to talk about that. Is it good? Is it bad? We're going to deep dive on that one as well. I'm going to give you my opinion, and we're also going to show you what are the opinions of other people out there. So we're going to talk about that. So Bitcoin right now is up 1.3%. Good out there, bang. We're seeing that Ethereum is up as well, pretty good, almost 2%. We're seeing BNB is up. We're seeing XRP is up. Now XRP is getting closer. Remember, June 13th. Basically, they're going to unseal that document that Gary has been fighting against. So I believe there could be a settlement. So we could see that XRP could move. $3 XRP, maybe, could be. Let's see. Cardano is up, and Dogecoin is really just acting like a stable coin, just doing this. And we're seeing a lot of the meme coins just doing that, guys. So that's what's going on. Where is freaking Shiba Inu out there? Shiba Inu is down to 15. Keep in mind that, if you take a look at Dogecoin, it's pretty stable. It's been pretty stable, pretty static, staying at 8 spot. Shiba Inu has dropped down to 15. So what happened to the Shiba Weebies? I think they got distracted out there. But overall, we're still seeing that year to date, we're still looking pretty lovely jubbly. January is good. February is good. March is good. April was okay. But so far, May has been a Debbie Downer, as I told you it would be. I told you, go back and watch my previous videos from the last couple of days of April, and we did talk about what I see happening for May. I believe that May is going to be either neutral or, about 5% down. That's what I talked about at the beginning of the month. I'm still confirmed. My conviction is still, we're absolutely there. So if we take a look at the quarterly returns right now for Bitcoin, we're still up, guys. Even, we're still up above, almost like 65%. So not too shabby. You guys should be looking pretty good about that. DXY is not making me happy. We definitely need DXY to go the other way out there. So it looks like we're forming this kind of the DXY. We're kind of forming this W pattern here. You can kind of see. Let me get that out of there. So we're kind of forming, it's kind of a bit of a W pattern here, right, boys? So according to this, it could go up again. And remember, even though that inflation is tapering down, we should see the rate hikes go down. A lot of the other global currencies are still not doing as good as USD. So that's why we're seeing that the dollar dominance is going up. That is not good out there for crypto. Now, if we take a look at Ethereum very quickly, and then we're going to jump into Bitcoin, we're seeing that basically Ethereum is just being range bound, and we're going to be seeing a lot of tight rangeness out there. Tight rangeness? Tight ranges. So, I still have this blue line here. If I get back above there, that's pretty bullish. So let's talk about the elephant in the room. What's going on for Bitcoin right now? I'm seeing a nice bullish flag forming for Bitcoin right now. We're going to jump into that in more detail in a second. But so far, we're seeing, pretty much range bound, pretty much stable. We're seeing that the volumes are pretty stable as well. So that's a good thing. We're not seeing lots of volatility out there. But guys, did you guys know that, like I said, for all of you out there, that think that Bitcoin's going down to 10K, it ain't happening. So like I said, I believe the bottom is in. The shorts are getting exhausted after falling numerous times to break below 200 simple moving average, which is solid support. It's absolutely solid support out there. And the 50 simple moving average, a bullish crossover 200 simple moving average, is a matter of when Bitcoin takes off. So every time we have these like bullish crossovers, we often have, a nice rise. We saw one here, gave us 136 and so forth and so on. So we're about to form a bullish crossover. And I think that, from that perspective, we're going to definitely be seeing that Bitcoin is going to be making a big move. I believe that Bitcoin is going to be making a move. So what am I doing? What is the OG doing here in Vietnam? I'm going to be loading up. I'm going to be loading up on some Bitcoin out there. I'm going to be loading up. I believe that a big move is imminent. I believe it's going to happen. Looks like also, if we take a look at the weekly story out there, we're seeing a nice bull flag on the weekly as well for Bitcoin. So if this is a bull flag, and this is very bullish, of course, that's why it's called a bull flag, right? No bull there intended. So this is very good, and we can see a nice breakout, and that breakout, according to this, we should see a 30% breakout to the upside. So remember, this is the pennant, this is the flag. If we get a 30% breakout, definitely it's coming, guys. So that's why I tell you, a lot of indicators saying loading up, guys. We're seeing that, we're seeing more and more asset inflows to exchanges reside at cyclical low. So what we're seeing is we're seeing less and less money flowing back onto exchanges, and we're seeing more money flowing off exchanges, and that's good. That's absolutely good for crypto. That's absolutely good for Bitcoin. Interesting factoid. We can see that over the last Bitcoin halving cycles, 2, 3, and 4, right now we're in Epoch 4, in case you're wondering where we are. We're seeing that every epoch there was a Bitcoin exchange balance since halving. So we saw that at every epoch since 2, since 3, we saw that there was more Bitcoin flowing onto exchanges, but this time something crazy is happening, something weird is happening, something insane is happening, and we're seeing, let me get my face out of there, that we're seeing a ton, 680K worth of Bitcoin has flowed off exchanges in this halving, this in Epoch 4. We're about to enter Epoch 5, right? In just less than a year. So guys, this has never happened before in the last 2 cycles. So guys, buckle the freak up, guys, because it's gonna get insanity zone, and that's why I think a bull run is happening, guys. Guys, June 1st, this is happening. Hong Kong securities regulators to accept licenses application for crypto exchanges. It means that companies, that individuals, retail investors will be able to onboard and offboard crypto and have crypto. And remember, a lot of companies in China are going to use Hong Kong as a way to purchase, to buy Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and this is going to be huge. This is actually going to be huge. And once this rolls out for the whole mainland China, it's going to be insanity, guys. Wow, wow, wow. We could see the total crypto market cap go insane. Right now we're seeing the total market cap 1.14 trillion. I believe that we could quickly rise to 2 trillion if this happens, guys. So I'm so bullish about that. I'm actually bullish about that out there. So keep in mind, XRP holders, get ready. June 13th, something big is coming. Remember, also, guys, fun fact, looks like the FTX CEO has found a ton of money out there. I think it's almost like close to like 17 to $18 billion. And it looks like FTX 2.0, they could be relaunching the exchange and stopping the bankruptcy procedure. So that is pretty cool beans out there. I love it. Looks like Solana about to integrate AI into blockchain, and they've raised about $10 million out there. So that is kind of interesting that you're going to be able to use AI on the Solana blockchain. Wow, 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 wow. Exciting out there. Guys, so remember, Elon Musk still loving a Doge. And remember, right now we're seeing almost 1.4 million transactions in the last 24 hours, which is an all-time high. Why is this happening, guys? Why is this freaking happening? Well, it's happening because of this. It's happening because of DRC tokens. So in the past 24 hours, Dogecoin has processed more than 1.1 million transactions. That's more than Bitcoin or any other crypto. The truth is that the network's still okay. It's running fine and dandy, but the cost is passed on to the node runners as processing more data requires more expenses. So remember, the node operators are processing more transactions, but but this could be some kind of stress test. Is it possible that the spam, which is called by a group minting and buying tokens as the Doge blockchain DRC20 tokens, may be a short-lived as most tokens die off? So guys, watch out for that one. We are seeing a ton of ordinals being processed. Let's hope this doesn't affect the Dogecoin, speed and that. So far, so good. I ain't worried about it. What's going on for Dogecoin right now? So Dogecoin is trading at 0.726. We're going sideways. We're going freaking sideways. And Dogecoin is acting like a stable coin. We've just been going sideways for a long time. And we got we got resistance here between 0.40 and we got good support, some freaking good support about 0.71. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm not too worried. You shouldn't be worried about it. What's going on tokenomic wise? Dogecoin volumes are light right now. They're pretty light. We're seeing market cap is down as well a little bit, but nothing to worry about. Pretty much business as usual. Business as usual out there. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this, guys. Dogecoin 1-1. Guys, I'm back in Vietnam. I'm back. Had some me time in Bangkok. Now I'm feeling better, feeling lovely, feeling happy, feeling peppy, master. So guys, get ready. So, if we take a look at this, a lot of redness out there. Who's in the money for the Doge? And then we're going to talk about PEP. Let's see, guys. So 49% in, 48% out. Not too bad, not too shabby. Peppy, nothing there. Sideways, boring. What about what's going on? What's going on with the Shibby Wibby? Shibby's also down, and it's just hanging around this zone. 0.9 is a big resistance area. What's going on? What's going on? We need to know. Guys, get your crypto off centralized exchanges. Get an NANO Leger. Link is down there. Be part of the freaking conversation out there, guys. Join our Discord. It's firing up. There we go. Discord City. Guy, there we go. And what's new? Well, I'm new. I'm back in Vietnam, guys. So that's gonna bring this video to a close, guys. I would appreciate it if you would indeed go follow me on Twitter. I'll appreciate it, guys. Don't be crazy. Don't be insane. Have a fantastic day, guys. Do get the merch and be well. Be blessed. I love you guys. I'll see you next one. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Back to the grind. Back to it. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. We win. Woo-hoo-hoo. Peace out.